Okay, welcome back. Welcome to 2022. So Caleb here with Sunfind Solar. We're getting another one of our solar life vlogs going here. So we're heading out to Fairmont Hot Springs, BC. Join us with this install. Okay, on site this Monday morning. So here today, we're getting ready to get started on this garage over here. So we're in the beautiful Kootneys here in Fairmont Hot Springs. A little bit of snow on there, so we're gonna scrape that off and let the sun do its work. Okay, made it up top here. We can see a little bit of snow here. Okay, we're employing our very highly sophisticated snow clearing device here. Snow remover is working pretty good here. Loosened off. We finally have the sun poking over the horizon. Won't be long until this roof is dried off here. A little portion left here to do. For this roof, we're using the S5N minis for this standing seam roof. So you can see the anchors going up there. So these anchors are non-penetrating. Let's get the rest of these suckers laid down. Hello, Steven. He's working hard down there, getting all the electrical done. All S5 anchors are on the roof now. So we've got that completed. Rails are going up here. Been slow going today. Again, we had snow overnight, so it's getting the roof cleaned off, letting all that precipitation melt off. So we're dry here now. So the morning was spent getting the internet connection over from the house over there to the garage here, and now we're able to get up on the roof. So the rails are coming here. Okay, down here with Steven, he's been working hard. We have our feeder from the house. We installed this splitter box, pulled up new cable for the panel board inside, and we have our inverter and disc 26 optimizers up. They have to be wired together here. It's been slower going. Unfortunately, the sun doesn't really get on this roof until around noon and gets dried off. So the roof's been slow going. But we've gotten the electrical all done for the inverter, all the AC. So you can see our fused disconnect switch for the inverter system. Single solar edge inverter. We're just uploading firmware right now. And as we showed yesterday, inverter connection into the service feeder coming from the house. So everything's all labeled. Looks great. We're just prepping some modules here. We're looking like a nice day here today. We're gonna go blow the roof off too to help out. Let's prep some modules, get the roof cleaned off. Some modules up. Great to see a few modules up there. And what a beautiful view to end the day. So let's have a little 360 view. This is what we're enjoying every day here. So we'll finish up the rest here tomorrow. All right, well, that's a wrap. Another project in the books. Unfortunately, this one was about an extra 2 days with the snow and the weather and the frost and winter installs. It is what it is. We got the nice array all completed. Looks great up on top of that metal roof. We've got our solar edge inverter system all done here. Everything's labeled, set up, and it is up and operating. So thank you for watching. Take care. Peace.